Alright guys, today we're gonna fit up these beautiful bookshelf. They are from Omri, which means thanks to Omri for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love them, so my husband is gonna fit them up and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Trust me, the quality is completely amazing. I really like the gold. It's not too gold. It more has a brass look. It took like 20 minutes to get them set up, which is super easy. You can set it up. I can do it. It's just that my husband, he wanted to do it. So we're gonna fit them up really nice. I'm gonna tell you about these, and they fit in any space. They don't take up a lot of space. I'm gonna show you guys at the end because I did place these up in my makeup room, and we're definitely gonna use them for display, whether you want to use decor, souvenir, or even to use it as a bookshelf. It is completely beautiful. They do come in two sizes. I got the smaller size because I'm gonna put both of them together and they are gonna look absolutely amazing. There is 4 shelves. They are sturdy. I do recommend, you know, putting them, because I'm gonna add it on a carpet, but it also comes with stuff that you can use to attach them to the wall. So completely, look at that. For a fashionable, contemporary, chic aesthetic, this 4-shelf modern bookshelf is ideal for displaying all your books or your souvenirs, or for me, I'm definitely going to use it for my makeup display. You can safely store anything you want to show. If you want to showcase anything, this is the perfect bookshelf for that. Even though it's a bookshelf, you don't have to use it as a bookshelf, and that is what I like about it, because it fits in any space. You can adjust it in any room. You can also add it to the wall. It do come with some braces that, like I said before, you can add to the wall. It comes in 2 different sizes. This is the smaller size. They have a bigger size, and it also comes in black. The gold brass look is metal, which is gonna give the home a very chic look. Like I said before, it is absolutely amazing. You guys can check it out. I'll definitely have it in the description down below. Make sure you guys visit their website and you can shop Omri. Like, anything is on there. I absolutely love it. I also have different stuff in my home from them. I have a chandelier, and you guys know I redid my bedroom, and the 2 pendant lights is also from them. So make sure you check the description. I'll have something down there for you guys. Thanks again to Omri for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, we are going to utilize the bookshelf and add a few stuff to it. So I really want to show you guys. I'm going to kind of freelance at this moment and add some stuff. We have some stuff on the floor right here. So I'm basically just going to start using my, it's more so going to be books. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take down all the Christmas decor and just clean up the space. Christmas time is out and might as well, you know, get rid of everything. So I want to take down the stuff and show you guys how I pack away my stuff, and I just felt like recording. If you're new here, welcome. Happy Sunday guys, and happy new year again. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's get into it. Oh, if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, okay? Guys, it's the new year, and for 2024 we want to embrace positivity. As we step into the year 2024, there's an undeniable sense of opportunity and hope in the air. The world has faced unprecedented challenges over the past few years, but amidst the trials and tribulation, there has also been a remarkable display of resilience, compassion, and innovation. As we look ahead, it is crucial to embrace positivity and optimism, harnessing the lessons of the past to shape a brighter future. Guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. I was really not in the mood to just talk and freelance, but I wanted to just, you know, spread some positivity out there on this Sunday. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're feeling down, don't let nothing get in your way. Not the devil, not nobody. You're gonna shine. You're gonna come out stronger for this year, and we're gonna go to the conclusion of 2024. Let it hold the promise of a positive transformation and progress on multiple fronts. Be embracing unity, or just by embracing unity, innovation, well-being, and sustainability. We have the opportunity to shape a future that is defined by hope, compassion, and resilience. I love that word. As we embark on this journey, let us carry forward the lessons of the past, drawing strength from our shared humanity and the boundless potential that lies ahead. I love this. Let us embark on this journey as we carry forward lessons of the past. You see, lessons of the past, guys. If you have been through anything, you know, just know that you're going to bring forward the lessons of your past, and you're going to make it or make yourself stronger. This is all I have to say to you guys today. I love you guys so much. I want to keep it positive for the rest of the year. Oh yes, nobody's perfect, but we're going to try. If you are, I'm calling to all the females, read a book. At least 30 minutes a day, at least 2 books per week, or even 3. Just let us try to read. If you don't have a book, the Bible is a good start. All right, I love you guys. Happy Sunday. Always remember, God is love. Always remember, for this year we're embracing positivity. Big up yourself. Happy New Year again. Bye.